Okay, we are removing the battery for a MacBook Air M1 2020 and also apply to similar models 2018, 2019, early 2020. In order to remove the battery first, we need to remove the back cover. It has been removed. 10 screws, Pentalock P5. First, we need to remove the battery connection. So we need to lift up this metal lock ring and then just push the connector up, just like that. And now we need to remove the speakers 1, 2 in order to have access to the battery. The battery is got 3 different sections joined together. Now to remove the speakers, we need to use Torx T3 screwdrivers. That's going to be using also for the screws of the battery. So just remove the screw and then on the side, and then in here the connector for the speaker is also hidden by this bracket. So this one is also a T3. It need to be removed. Remove the bracket, and then we need to lift the connector here up. There you go. And now the speaker is being held by a pull type adhesive. It's a gel type tape. Have to be careful, they could snap easily, so it has to be taken out carefully, maybe with a screwdriver, or just wind it. Like this, until it comes off completely. Just take extra care when you remove it, because if it does break, it will be very hard to actually remove. Okay, there you go, that's all of it. And now it's just a matter of lifting up the speaker, the connector. And you have already removed the tape for this side and disconnected the connector and the screw. Same process repeated, and you can just lift up the speaker side. Now we have exposed the actual battery, which is also being held by a screw here and 3 pull type tapes. On this side, 3 pull type and a screw of the same size T3. So we need to remove the screw first, this side, and then 1 screw from this side. Okay, so now we've removed the screws for the batteries. Battery being held by sticky tape. They are the pull type, so we need to scrape them over a little bit, and then we need to pull the actual adhesive, and then maybe wind it, keep hold of it. You could also pull these tapes without having to roll it on a screwdriver. We could just gently hold it by hand and horizontally pull it. Don't go up, keep it low, just like this. It will stretch. Although it's a very short tape, it will go really long. There you go, it will come off. If it doesn't come off, then you need one of these scrapers to put it under the actual battery and move it underneath it to move the actual adhesive. That's what we used to do before they use these elastic sort of pull type adhesive. So we'll repeat the process on this tape and this one, and we've got 3 more on the other side in order to remove the batteries. Okay, so we also need, of course, to remove this bracket for the touchpad. There are 2 T3 screws that need to be removed, and the metal bracket comes off, and then lift off the connector. There you go. And then that will take it off. Now if you just lift off the battery, it will come off completely, and that's it. And the reinstallation is the reverse. Thank you.